Hi there, hope you're all doing well. This week's Zombicide Undead or Alive mini is Monica from the Dead West set. She was black and white zenithally primed, and I get started with Ancient Forest for her chaps and hat. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. Next up, I get all of the leather parts done with a once over of Cuirass leather. For the base coat on her corset, I went with Skeleton Legion. Getting the shadow colour on her shirt started, I went with a once over of Neo Pink. Continuing up the mini, I get all of her skin done now with Dwarven skin. As with all of my current Zombicide minis, the base gets a once over with Plague Brown. To get started on the highlights, I used Dust Bold just to bring up all of the raised and flat areas on her chaps. Since I had this out as well, I also used it to base coat her jeans. Pushing the leather parts up and adding some variation, I added a highlight of dark Fleshtone. Next up, I added a highlight to her corset and dotted in her eyes with Bonewhite. To push the pink down to where it needs to be, I added a highlight with Pastel Pink over all of the raised folds. Now for her hair, weapon handles and dotted in the last of her eyes, I grabbed Death Reaper. added a highlight to the skin and her jeans. I used Elven skin. This is also used as a bit of a once over just to tidy up where I messed up with the eyes. To get some variation on the black parts, I added a highlight with dark sea green. For all of the metal parts, I went with plate armor. Getting a wash on the Mini, I used Archaic Sepia wash, thinned down a fair bit and just over the entire Mini. Finishing up, I added some sandy desert texture to the base. And that will be it for Monica. She ran over the 20-minute mark, but only slightly. It was like 2 minutes. But that was to be expected with the amount of color changes she has compared to the other ones. But if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You could also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. As always, if you want a closer look at this Mini, check out my Instagram page. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.